Hi everyone, today I'd like to share with you about the way birds live in Daklak, a highland region in Vietnam's central highlands known for its stunning landscapes and rich biodiversity. When we talk about birds in Daklak, it's not just about how many species there are, but also how they survive, adapt, and stay deeply connected to the wild environment around them. Thanks to its terrain of plateaus, dense forests, winding rivers, and coffee farms, Daklak offers a perfect habitat for many bird species to nest, feed, and thrive. You'll see everything from eagles soaring over the forests of Buôn Đôn, to flocks of songbirds chirping in the coffee fields each morning, all painting a vivid picture of the region's wild, natural rhythm. Most birds here live in small flocks. Species like bulbuls, starlings, finches, and doves are very common, especially near villages and farmlands. They're most active during the early morning and late afternoon, which are the best times to search for food such as insects, wild berries, tree seeds, or fallen coffee beans. Some water birds like the lesser whistling duck or wild ducks prefer the quieter lakes and wetlands in areas like Krong Bong or Ea Sup, where they forage mostly at night. One of the most iconic birds in Daklak is the peafowl, a symbol of beauty and elegance that also holds deep cultural meaning in the Central Highlands. Peafowls usually live deep in the forest, often alone or in pairs, and are extremely alert to sounds, rarely appearing in the open. Other species like hawks and owls also live here, dominating the night skies and playing a crucial role in keeping nature in balance by hunting rodents and small prey. Another fascinating part of birds' lives here is how they build nests and care for their young. Most birds pick well-hidden, safe places like tree hollows, dense shrubs, or rocky crevices. They cleverly use dry grass, roots, and even shed feathers to make warm, protective nests for their eggs and chicks. The way mother birds nurture their young during the hatching and fledgling stages shows a deep instinct for survival and an emotional bond with nature. In the end, birds in Daklak are more than just wildlife. They're living symbols of freedom, beauty, and the delicate balance of nature. If you ever have the chance to hear a bird call deep in the Buôn Đôn forest, or watch one glide peacefully over Lake Lắk at sunset, you'll understand just how magical and meaningful their presence truly is. Thank you so much for listening.